Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to be finally filming again now that I'm in my new house. I'm sorry if it's a little bit echoey. I'm still trying to get my new office situated and stuff and my new filming setup, but I wanted to go ahead and film this video for you guys to get something up for you and show you what I've been doing on my hair when I like to do deep conditioning treatments once a week. I have a full routine that I like to do and I really like to treat my hair. I like to do a tea rinse, I like to do a scalp massage, all of those great weekly treatments. I try to do this every single week if I'm lucky, but if you could get this in at least once a month, it's really great for your hair. Most of my hair concerns are hair thinning. I want my hair to grow faster. I can get a lot of buildup sometimes, so I like to kind of do the scalp massages and stuff to help with that. And then my hair is pretty dry and extremely frizzy at the moment with all of this humidity, so I'm doing a protein treatment for this. So hopefully these tips and stuff will help you guys out. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing that I usually do is a scalp massage with some essential oils. Typically I do this the night before I wash my hair on the weekend, like when I have more time and stuff, but I'm gonna be doing it the same day just so I can show you guys for this video. I'm using the Tropical Living Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This castor oil I heard about from Aisha. If you guys are subscribed to her channel, I will put it down below, or she's Spisha on Instagram, and her hair is amazing. She swears by this, so I used her code and got it, and I'm really excited about it because it's been working great. I haven't noticed extreme like hair growth or anything, and I haven't been using it that long or that consistent, so I want to be more consistent about it. Castor oil is great obviously for hair growth, so I'm just going to be mixing that with some of my Simply Earth rosemary essential oil. Rosemary is great for hair growth, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just mixing it in my palms and I'm massaging it into my scalp. And part of my appearance, I've been cleaning all day, so I'm literally in like dirty pajamas and my hair is very heavily coated with products from the past few days since I haven't washed it yet, so I thought this would be the perfect time to do this full routine to kind of show you how my hair looks before, where it's all tangled and gross, and then how great it can look afterwards. So typically I will wear this in my sleep, so I will go to bed with like a cap on and sleep in it. That way it has time to really soak in. I'm also going to be applying some of it to my ends as well because it's really hydrating and nice. So I just kind of work it all throughout my hair, but really focusing it on the scalp. And the scalp massage really helps to stimulate your hair follicles, help them grow faster. It helps loosen, build up. It's just great for your hair. Next, I'm going to hop in the shower, and I'm actually going to be using one of my favorite shampoos. This is from Maui Moisture. This gives really great volume. It has like bamboo and some other great ingredients in it, but Maui Moisture is sulfate-free, paraben-free, all that stuff free. It's really good for your hair. I like because this one actually lathers up really well, so I like to use this when I want to get a deep clean. It helps with volume too. It removes all the buildup and it's still pretty moisturizing. It smells amazing, and fun fact, Nathan, my fiance, actually loves to use this. I will randomly smell it in his hair and I'm like, you use my shampoo again, but he actually really likes it because it does great with his straight hair actually for volume. So yeah, it's really great for that. For my deep conditioner, I like to switch it up. I usually switch between the Diva Curl Deep Sea Repair Seaweed Strengthening Mask or the Melt Into Moisture. The Melt Into Moisture is definitely my go-to. You can see I've already pretty much used it up. I have a full review on both of these, so I will link it for you down below. But the Deep Sea Repair is actually a protein mask, so you don't want to use this one too much, especially if you do have protein sensitivity. So I usually only use it like once a month or so, and it's been a while since I used it, so I decided to pick this one for this treatment. A lot of times I'll also have to use the Diva Curl Wash Day Wonder. I have a full review video, so I'll put that down below, but that really helps to detangle my hair before I shampoo. Especially after doing those scalp massages, a lot of times my hair can get really tangly and stuff from that sticky castor oil. So the Wash Day Wonder is great as a pre-conditioner before you actually shampoo to help detangle. So now I'm out of the shower and I'm just gonna apply a little bit more of that Deep Sea Repair to my hair. I already left it and I didn't rinse it out or anything. I'm actually gonna use my Hot Headz thermal hair cap. So this is a thermal hair cap that you put in the microwave, so it helps with the heat. So you can really get a good deep condition. It helps open up the hair follicles so the deep conditioner can penetrate a lot better into the hair. So I'm first applying the plastic shower cap, and then I'm gonna go to my kitchen and actually heat up this hair cap in the microwave. So you do it for like 45 seconds and you have to keep flipping it until it gets as hot as you want, but you don't want to overcook it because it will burn and explode. So you don't want to do that. You want to be careful. I have a full review video. I'm pretty sure I've done lots of videos using this, so I'll be sure to link that down below if you want more in depth on actually how I like to use it. But it's amazing. It really helps if you want a super deep conditioning treatment, especially if your hair is really dry, and it feels really nice. So while that is setting on my hair for about 20 minutes, I'm actually gonna mix up my tea rinse. And I've done a video on Bell Bar Organic before, but it's basically these custom tea rinses. They also have face masks and stuff. but you can customize the ingredients that you want in the loose tea leaves. And then it comes with a little pouch too, so you can just put the tea leaves in the bag. So I'm just gonna be boiling some water on the stove. But the blend that I have has green tea, horsetail, seaweed, and rosemary. So these are all ingredients that are great for hair growth. They're also great for hair thinning. Now that it's done, I'm just gonna pour it into a bowl, and I actually added some hot water and some ice to help cool it off for when I do the rinse. So there's several different ways that you can use it. You can actually apply this when you shampoo your hair and before you do the deep conditioner. That way the tea can sit on your hair with the deep conditioner. I've done that actually in videos in the past, and that works really well, but I'm just gonna be using it this time actually as the final rinse. So I'm just going to lean my head over the tub, rinse that deep conditioner out after it's set for about 20 or 30 minutes, and now I'm gonna actually pour the tea over my hair. I can definitely tell that I have a lot less shedding when I actually use the rinse, because normally I'm still shedding a lot even when I'm doing a final rinse of my hair. I usually have hair all in my hands, but it doesn't happen with this tea, which is awesome. I'm just gonna give my hair a final rinse with some cold water too afterwards. So now I'm just going to scrunch my hair dry with my hair repair towel. This is an awesome hair towel if you have curly hair or straight hair, because it doesn't pull on your hair. It absorbs just the right of moisture, doesn't cause frizz or anything. I have a full review video. I will put it down below for you guys. So this is a new product I'm actually gonna be applying. It's the Diva Curl Leave-In Decadence. This is the Ultra Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. So this is part of their Decadence line, which is designed for super dry or really curly hair, but really any curl type can use this. It's a really nice leave-in conditioner to where it's really hydrating, but it's extremely lightweight. Typically you would think of their Decadence products as being good for like winter time or if you have really thick, oily hair. But this is actually great for summer. It's super lightweight. I've been using it every day, so I'm just applying this all over my hair. It helps add in some moisture. It's really great for using after the tea rinse too, because sometimes my hair can feel a little bit stiff afterwards, so that really helps kind of bring it back to life and make it feel soft again. So my hair is still pretty soaking wet. I'm actually going to use a new curl cream. This is by Amika. I don't think I've talked about this yet, but I actually really love it. I have their gel as well, but I'm just going to be using the Curl Corpse Defining Cream today. It's a small little bottle, super cute. Their products are also silicone free, paraben free, and all that kind of stuff. So I will put more information. I'll link you to all these products and stuff on the blog post that goes with this video, but I'm just heavily applying this all over my hair from root to ends. It really helps with curl definition, and it also helps shrink up my curls. They get very coily when I use this, which is awesome, and it's a really soft. It doesn't have a whole lot of hold though, so I do have to layer in a gel. So for the gel, I'm using my favorite. This is the Diva Curl Ultra Defining Gel. This is their strongest hold gel, I believe. I'm just applying a few pumps of this all over my hair. And I like to kind of smooth this over my hair, and I apply it on the areas I know I always get frizzy, like around this area and on my ends and stuff, and actually on the top. So basically everywhere. I just coat my hair in this. I don't apply as much of this though as I do the cream. I don't want it to get too crunchy or anything, but this is a great gel in the summertime, and I like these two paired together. It works pretty well. So I'm just gonna take my hair towel and help scrunch up my hair and kind of absorb a little bit of that extra product because I definitely have soaking wet hair. That's why I'm wearing another pajama shirt, because it gets all over the place. So now I'm actually gonna plait my hair using the hair towel. I have a video on this. I'll link it down below, just like all the other videos that I keep mentioning, but I show actually how I plait my hair to where it can dry on top of my head, but not get too dry. That way I can still diffuse it pretty well. So now it's been about 30 minutes while I was doing my makeup, and now I'm finally ready to diffuse. I have this new blow dryer that I'm so excited to share with you. This is from Irresistible Me. If you guys don't know, they make hair extensions. I've reviewed some false lashes from them, the magnetic ones, so they're really cool. But I wanted to try out this dryer because it's super lightweight. It's pretty short too, so it's great for traveling, and I like how it has a low airflow setting, and also you can control the temperature, because I've been noticing a ton of split ends on my hair. I was previously using a different blow dryer and I had it forever and it was still working fine, but I was definitely worried about the split ends. I love it because you can actually turn the heat way down, which is definitely helping reduce my split ends and everything because it doesn't get too hot. It also has the cold setting, so I will alternate between the cold and the hot, because sometimes it still does get a little bit too hot for me when I have it running for like 15 minutes. So I'll just gradually cut it back to cold, and then I'll go back to hot as I'm drying. It gets my hair dry pretty fast. I just have my bio-ionic diffuser on it, although it doesn't fit very good, so I definitely don't recommend this particular combination, because if it falls off, it's really hard to get it back on, and I don't know how I have it somehow wedged in here. So I love this diffuser though. It's definitely my favorite. I searched high and low and could not find another one that had these teeth that stick out this far on it. That was universal, so I'm stuck with using this combination, but it works for me. I just don't want to bump it off. So I do have a discount code for you guys on the hair dryer, so I will put that down below for you, as well as a link to where you can get it from Irresistible Me. It's definitely been my favorite so far, so lightweight and excellent for travel. So as you can see, these are my final results after blow drying. I did add a little bit more of my ultra defining gel after blow drying, just to some areas that got a little bit frizzy while drying, but I feel like my curls are so much more moisturized. It's super humid today, so I'm definitely going to be testing it out throughout the day to see how well this holds up. I've been trying out so many different combinations of gels and creams for humidity, so I was hoping maybe this protein treatment would help kind of tame the frizz a little bit, so we'll see. I would love to hear your recommendations though on gels or creams that are specifically designed for high humidity. If you guys live in a really humid area like me, and we've had so much rain every single day that it's just uncontrollable, and my hair just, it feels like I don't have any product in by the end of the day. It's just super soft and fluffy and really frizzy. So I would love your recommendations on that. Leave me a comment down below or DM me on Instagram. So that's it for this video. I will link all these products, like I said, on the blog post that goes with this video. It'll be the first link in the description box down below, along with all the other videos that I think will also help you guys out that go along with this. So that's it for today's video. I thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Bye everyone.